Hi, it's Deborah Harris here, and I'm bringing to you another cash flow tip of the day, and this one's about price. Now, price actually helps us drive our revenue. Price times how many we sell gives us the revenue for our business. Revenue helps us work out our profit because our revenue minus our cost is our profit. And when it comes in and goes out determines our cash flow and whether or not we've got enough cash flow to meet the needs of our business. So my cash flow tip of the day about price is to compare your product or service to higher priced alternatives in the marketplace. Now, before we talked about comparing your product to lower priced to make it seem a premium product, you can take the reverse strategy and actually compare your product or service to products or services that are out there that people are saying are too expensive. And you can actually put your hand up and say, hey, I've got a great product. I have all the features and benefits of that product. We just offer it for cheaper. And so saying that you're less expensive with all the features and benefits is a great way to actually position your product in the marketplace. Keep in mind, however, that if you decide that you're going to then raise your prices in the future, that you may have people saying the same thing about your product. Hey, it's too expensive for what I want. So make sure that you're always offering value and don't discount it so much that you're actually driving yourself out of the marketplace by not being able to cover your costs. So this is a cash flow tip about price.